हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। बच्चों, आज का हम EVS 2 का हिस्टोरिक पीरियड लेसन नंबर 10 आज के इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर लर्न करेंगे बच्चों, और उसको सॉल्व कैसे करना है वो भी सीखेंगे। तो आपका जो लेसन नंबर 10 है हिस्टोरिक पीरियड, उसके कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर अभी समझते हैं। तो देखिए बच्चों, यहाँ पे आपको समेटिव इवैल्यूएशन दिया गया है वर्कबुक में। ओके, उसके कुछ फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स दिए गए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, fill in the blanks. First, the art of writing was developed in all ancient civilization. Second, with the rise of the ancient civilization, the new stone age came to an end. Third, the tradition of thought, skills and efforts gave rise to various arts. Language was enriched with the exchange of thoughts and ideas. Fifth, new Stone Age cultures were based on agricultural way of life. Sixth, the Egyptian king was known as Pharaoh. Okay, question number 2. Select the appropriate alternatives and complete the statements. First, the early civilizations came into existence around 3000 BC. Second, Mesopotamia is the name of a region. Third, the rivers Tigris and Euphrates flow through Turkey, Syria and Iraq. Fourth, the river Nile flows through the eastern part of the Sahara Desert in North Africa. Fifth, the bronze image of a dancer was found in excavation at Mohenjo-daro. Sixth, Balak was a string musical instrument of the Mesopotamia civilization. Seventh, the Egyptian king was known as Pharaoh. Okay. Question number 3. Find the odd words and indicate the name in the box given against the statement. First, the Tigris and Euphrates rivers flow through Egypt. Second, option number B is correct. Second, the following were the famous cities of Mesopotamia civilization. The answer is A, Cairo. Third, the following were the famous sites of the Harappan civilization. Option number D is correct, Multan. Fourth question, the following were the famous cities in China. Option number B is correct, Borobudur. Okay. Next, question number 4. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. First, where did the people in the New Stone Age establish their village settlement? The answer is, the people in the New Stone Age established their village settlements on the bank of rivers. Second, what articles were the Harappan craftsmen skilled at making? Answer is, the Harappan craftsmen were highly skilled in making bronze objects and beads from semi-precious stones of different colors. Question number 3. What is culture? Answer is, culture is the knowledge of various arts, skills and traditions inherited from generation to generation and the way of life founded on that knowledge. Question number 4. Why are the early civilizations known as riverine civilization? Answer is, the early civilization known as riverine civilization because these developed in river village. Question number 5. Name the first two sites of Harappan civilization. Answer is, Harappan is Punjab and Mohenjo-daro in Sindh were the first two sites of Harappan civilization. Question number 6. Which are the famous sites of the Harappan civilization in Gujarat and Rajasthan? Answer is, Lothal and Dholavira in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Question number 7. What do the Harappan seals and figurine indicates? Answer is, they worship Pashupati and the mother goddess. Okay. Then question number 5th. Answer the following questions in brief. Question number 1. Write the characteristic of the Harappan earthen pots. The answer is the Harappan earthen pots were well baked and red in color. These were laid with beautiful designs like pipal leaves and fish scales. These pots produce a metallic sound when tapped. Question number 2. What made the soil on the bank of river Nile fertile? Answer is the river Nile gets flooded every year. The land along her banks has become very fertile due to flood deposit. Small embankments were built on the river to store the flood water. After the soil in the flood water settled to the bottom, the water was used for irrigation. Then question number 6. Give reasons for the following statements. First, people in the New Stone Age established their village settlements on the bank of various rivers because fertile soil and the constant water supply are essential for growing good crops. Agriculture was the major occupation of the people. Therefore, the people in the New Stone Age established their village settlement on the banks of various rivers. Question number 2. Music and dance were very important in early civilization because music and dance were essential parts of celebrating festivals. Balam was a string instrument in Mesopotamia which was played at the time of festivals. Other instruments like cymbals, rattles, flutes and drums were played. Pharaoh, the Egyptian king himself used to participate in celebrating and dance. Question number 7. Write short notes on the following. Question first is characteristic of the Harappan civilization. Answer is systematic town planning. The houses were built in blocks created by parallel roads that cross each other at right angles. Huge granaries and spacious houses. Concern for public hygiene and indicates by bathrooms and latrines in every houses and covered drainage system. Carefully constructed private and public wells. Then question number 2. Mesopotamia civilization. The answer is the ancient Mesopotamian civilization emerged in the land between Tigris and Euphrates rivers around 3000 BC. These two rivers flow through Turkey, Syria and Iraq. Urartu and Nippur were the Mesopotamian cities which were home to a very prosperous culture. A string musical instrument was very popular in Mesopotamia. Then question number 3. Ancient Egyptian civilization. The answer is the ancient Egyptian civilization emerged in the valley of river Nile in North Africa around 3000 BC. The ancient Egyptians built small embankments on the river Nile to store the flood water. This water was used to irrigate fertile soil. In ancient Egypt, people play Senet, a game that was similar to chess. The Egyptian king known as Pharaoh participated in the celebration of certain festivals. Question number 4. Ancient Chinese civilization. Answer is the ancient Chinese civilization developed and flourished in the valley of the Yangtze River. The King Huangdi introduced agriculture, animals, husbandry, wheels, carts, carrots, boats and clothing in China. King Huangdi Queen invented the techniques of silk production and silk dyeing. Liaoning, Beijing and Chang'an were among the important cities in ancient China. So open-ended questions here. Question number 1. How do human beings differ from other animals? The answer is human beings have the capacity to change the natural surrounding. The animals do not have this capacity. The human being process food before consumption. The animals eat raw food. The human being can make tools and instruments of stones and various metals. The animals cannot make tools or instruments. Then here are given some activity or project work. So the answer is reverse civilization, Riverian civilization. Answer is Yuan-He, China, Nile, Egypt, Tigris and Euphrates, Mesopotamia, and Indus is Harappan. ओके सो यहाँ पे बच्चों आपके सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट होते हैं. आई होप आपको समझ में आया होगा. तो चलिए बच्चों, मिलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वीडियोस में. तब तक के लिए बच्चों बाय.